everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a book. Let's start. First draw is here. Next, draw a line like this. And then a curve like that. And then down a bit. And the line down like this. And a line like this. And a line like this. And a line like this. And from here, draw a line like this. And the curve onto this side. And another curve onto this side. And then now connect these. And the line down. And then this drop, I said, connect that line to that line. And a line like this. Alright, we're done, I think. Actually, not. We have to draw lines on the edge. I need to draw some over here. I'm done. Now just draw random lines. Now it's time to color the book. I'm done with the pages. Actually, I'm not. I have to color the sides too. Okay, I'm done with the book. That was fast coloring too, but I'll wait for my dad. While my dad is coloring, I'll tell you a story from the book. Once upon a time, there was a boy who was getting ready to go on a walk. The boy was starting to go and walk on his bike or scooter. Next page. The boy was riding his scooter on the walk. When he was riding, he met a girl on the walk. The girl and the boy went riding on the scooters or bikes. Next page. When they were riding, they saw their mommy. And then they went. When they were walking, they saw their daddy. And then they went on a walk. When they were walking, they saw their friend. Next page. And then they walked. When they were walking, it kept on going on. They kept on sawing person. And then what happened? Let's see. And then they all were tired. Actually, they weren't tired, but it was nighttime. So they said, oops, bye. We need to eat dinner and go to bed. And they all ran home and ate dinner and slept. The end. Me too. Bye.